In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with QuickBooks. We'll walk through the process from inside your Monday.com workspace all the way to connecting your QuickBooks account, so you can link the two platforms smoothly and start building a more connected workflow. To begin, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, head to the board where you want this integration to happen. In this example, we're using a sales pipeline board, but you can choose any board that fits your process. The important thing is to select the board where you want QuickBooks activity to create or update items. After opening the board, look for the Integrate option and click on it. This is where Monday.com lets you connect your board with other tools and services. From the list of available integrations, find QuickBooks and select it. QuickBooks is an accounting and financial management platform commonly used for tracking income, expenses, products, services, invoices, and other business records. Connecting it with Monday.com can help reduce manual entry and make it easier to keep operational work in sync with financial data. Next, choose the template that says, "When product or service item is created in QuickBooks account, create an item." This template is useful because it automates the flow of information from QuickBooks into your Monday.com board. In other words, whenever a new product or service is created in QuickBooks, Monday.com can automatically create a corresponding item on your selected board. That can save time, improve visibility, and help your team stay updated without needing to enter the same information twice. Once you've selected the template, click on the QuickBooks account option to log in, then click Connect to begin authorizing the integration. At this stage, you'll be taken to the QuickBooks sign-in page. Enter your email address or user ID to log in. If your account allows it, you may also have the option to sign in using your phone number instead. Follow the prompts on screen and complete the login process for your QuickBooks account. After you finish signing in and approve the connection, the integration will be successfully linked between Monday.com and QuickBooks. At that point, the automation template you selected will be ready to work, helping your board reflect new product or service items created in QuickBooks. As a final tip, always double-check that you selected the correct Monday.com board and the intended QuickBooks account before completing the connection, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or companies. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.